All right, guys, so we're just gonna go ahead and jump right into this little look. I'm just gonna go ahead and pin my hair back just so it's not in my face. Now I'm gonna take this Anastasia brow definer. It's the thicker one if you're trying to compare like the brow wiz and the brow definer. It's just the thicker pencil, just to like fill in my brows because they're a little sparse right now. Just give them a little bit of shape. Now I'm just gonna put a little bit of concealer on just so that they don't look as like bushy, because they don't look really defined, you know what I'm saying? Now I'm just gonna blend that concealer away. You can see like I didn't even fill them in to where it looks like I have a whole new brow. Now I'm gonna go in and prime my face. I'm actually using the Farsali Unicorn Elixir. I love this stuff and it smells so freaking good. And then I took a little bit of my Becca Ever Matte Poreless Primer just in the areas where I get a little bit oily. Now I'm just putting a little bit of foundation on because I don't have that flawless skin that some of you guys have, but that's okay. I'm just putting a little bit on just to even out my complexion. Then I'm going to take this LA Girl Pro Concealer. First, I'm going to go in with the color Toffee just to like conceal, and then I'm going to go in with the color, what color was that? Cool Tan to brighten. And I'm going to blend all that out with a sponge, just very minimally, guys. You know, we're not really going for like a beat face here. We just want to look like, yawn, I actually just woke up. Like, oh, I didn't see you there. I just woke up like this. You know, we're going for like just some I don't know, like simple baddie type of makeup. You know what I'm saying? I'm just gonna blend that out, you know, the same way I normally would. I did like set my face with some Laura Mercier powder, but I think I lost that footage because I cannot find it anywhere. Now I'm just gonna bronze up my face a little bit with this MAC Studio Fix powder. And now I'm going to go in with some gold deposit on a fan brush and just putting that very lightly on my face, and then going in with some MAC's Oh Darling just to like add a little bit of finesse to the face. Now I'm finishing, well, not finishing. Now I'm just going to add some mascara to my face, spray some setting spray on, put a little bit of lip gloss, and baby girl is done. This has been like an everyday look for me. Like, I don't know, days where I don't really want to put makeup on, but I want to look like I did something to my face. Yeah, but I really hope you guys like that video.